Hello! Welcome to today's episode of Calendar, but mostly Number Talk. Now yesterday, this whole week really, we've been working with big numbers. We made it to 20 and now we're pushing past it. So today's date is actually April 30th, 2020. It is the last day in April, guys. Can you even believe it? I can't. So on the top of your papers, write April 30, 2020. April 30, 2020, or 4/30/20. Now, if April is the fourth month and tomorrow is May, what do you think we're going to start our date off with tomorrow? Will it still be 4, or will we be in a different number? What month is May? I can't wait to talk to you about that tomorrow. Now, today's number is 22. Just one more than it was yesterday, as usual. So put 22 in the center of your page, and then we're going to draw our 3 tens frames because we've passed 2 groups of 10 now. We're 2 groups of 10, and how many more? How many left over? We can always check our ones place. Just 2 left over. So draw your 10 frames. We need 3. I have 1 group of 10. I have 2 groups of 10. And 3 groups of 10, which I'm not going to fill all the way, but I am going to have to put my leftovers somewhere. I can't just leave them out because it's 22, not just 20. So let's fill those in. They don't have to be perfect because it's such a big number. And I shouldn't have to count 1, 2, 3, 10 because I know this is 10. And when I fill this in, I will have drawn 20, but I didn't even have to really count that. And how many left over? 21, 22. So we're making our way quickly into that third 10 frame. We've done our 10 frames. Now you show me your 10s and 1s. How many groups of 10 did we fill? And how many were left over? How many were left over? Remember, our ones place is always our leftovers. I have 2 groups of 10 that are filled, and I have 2 left over. And I know this is right because it matches my first number. That's exactly right. Y'all are getting so good at this. Now, on to your tallies. Now, I like to race, so will you race me and see if you can finish your tally marks up to 22 before me? On your mark, get set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Did you beat me? And if you did beat me, did you really put 22 tallies? I hope you did, because now it's time for the addition part. Now, you can make this as easy or hard as you want. Remember to always start with 0 and work your way up. See if you can find the pattern. Yesterday we talked about a pattern when we're adding 0 plus something, 1 plus something. See if you can find that for yourself today. I'm not going to write the 0s, but I will write the 1s because I think it's important that we practice counting backwards. 1 plus something equals 22. Well, what do I do if I take away 1 from 22? What comes right before it? 21, our number from yesterday. 1 plus 21 equals 22. 21 plus 1 equals 22. Now on to our 2s. 2 plus something equals 22. 22, count back 2. 21, 20. Now I know 2 plus 20 equals 22. 20 plus 2 equals 22. If you're not sure if you've done it right, please count it back. Don't be silly. You have the resources inside your head to be able to count forward and backwards. You're almost second graders. You can definitely do that. So 20, 21, 22. I got that right for sure. Now, I wrote a little big today, but that's okay because I can take my work down here already for you. And I'm going to start with 3. I did my 1, my 2 problems. Now my 3 plus something equals 22. Well, when I counted backwards, I had 21, 20. What do you think this could be? If you said 19, you are a baby genius, and I am so proud of you. You found the pattern. When you go up by 1, all you have to do is count back 1. 3 plus 20, 3 plus 19, equals 22. 19 plus 3 equals 22. 19, 21, 22, 23. Now, see if you can do the pattern again. 4 plus something equals 22. Let's look at our pattern. 21, 20, 19, 18. We're just counting back by 1 from our previous answer. I could also double check and say 22, 21, 20, 19, 18. And all I did was count backwards 4. 18 plus 4 equals 22. Now your job today is to do 5 plus something, 6 plus something. You probably can't see that. 5 plus something equals 22, 6 plus something, and 7. 5, 6, and 7. That's your responsibility, mathematicians. Now, get back there, pay close attention to the patterns, and count backwards.